दशमी कक्षा षष्ठः पाठः संस्कृतनाट्ययुग्मं सरलार्थलेखनार्थं प्रथमं पुष्पम्। संस्कृतकविषु कालिदासस्य स्थानम् अनन्यसाधारणम्। अभिज्ञानशाकुन्तलम् इति तस्य प्रसिद्धं नाटकम्। तस्य काव्यनाटकेषु भारतीयसंस्कृते मूल्यानां च प्रतिबिम्बं दृश्यते। इदानीम् अन्तकाले अपि तस्य साहित्यं जनान् रञ्जयति। Student, the first dramatic scene in this lesson is from the first act of the world-famous play Abhijnana Shakuntalam by Kavi Kuluguru Kalidas. We are impressed by the civilized personality of the king of noble dynastic hermitage, even in such short dialogue. It may be specially noted. So let us start. संस्कृत नाट्ययुग्मं प्रथमं पुष्पम्। तथा प्रविशति वैखानस अन्यो तपसो च। तथा means then, प्रविशति means enter, वैखानस means ascetic वैखानस्य, अन्यो तपसो च means other ascetics. Okay, means तथा प्रविशति वैखानस अन्यो तपसो च means then enters वैखानस and other ascetic. वैखानस राजानम आवृत्य. राजानम आवृत्य means restricting the king. राजन, O king. आश्रम मृगोयम न हन्तव्यः न हन्तव्यः. आश्रमं मृग अयम न हन्तव्यः न हन्तव्यः. आश्रम मृग means hermitage deer. न हन्तव्यः not be killed. न हन्तव्यः means not be killed. This is the hermitage deer. It should not be killed. It should not be killed. Ashu pratisahara sayakam. Ashu means quickly. Pratisahara take back. Sayakam means arrow. Quickly take back the arrow. राज्ञा शस्त्रम् अर्थत्राणाय भवति न तु अनागसि प्रहर्तुम्. राज्ञा means king. शस्त्रं weapon. अर्थत्राणाय भवति. अर्थत्राणाय means protecting the trouble. न तु अनागसि. अनागसि means innocent. प्रहर्तुम् means kill. राज्ञा शस्त्रम् अर्थत्राणाय भवति न तु अनागसि प्रहर्तुम् means king's weapon is for protecting the trouble, not to be killed the innocent. Glossary. अवरुद्ध्य restricting. प्रविशति enters. न हन्तव्यः should not be killed. प्रतिसंहर take back. सायकम arrow. आर्द्रत्राणाय for protecting the trouble. अनागसि not the innocent. Translation. Then the enters Vaikhanasa and the other ascetics. Vaikhanasa said, restricting the king, O king, this hermitage deer, it should not be killed, it should not be killed. Quickly take back the arrow. King's weapon is for protecting the trouble, not to kill the innocent. दुष्यन्तः प्रतिसंहरत एषः सायकः यथोक्तिं करोति. प्रतिसंहरत means take back. सायकम means arrow. यथोक्तं करोति means does as is told. Means this arrow has been taken back. Does as is told. राजन समिधा हरणाय प्रस्थिता वयम्. समिधा means wood. हरणाय means bring. प्रस्थिता means set out. वयम means we. राजन समिधा हरणाय प्रस्थिता वयम means O king, we have set out to bring food. एषः खलु कण्वस्य कुलपतेः अनुमालिनी तीरम् आश्रमः दृश्यते. एषः means this. Khalu, indeed. Kanvasya Kulapate. Kanvasya Kulapate means head of the sage, Kanva. Anumalini Tiram means the bank of river Anumalini. Ashramaha means hermitage. Drishyate means seen. This hermitage seen on the bank of river Anumalini belonged to the head of sage Kanva. Pravishya Pratigruhyatam Atitheya Satkara. Pravishya means enter. Pratigruhyatam Atitheya. Atitheya means guest. Satkaraha means accept the hospitality towards the guest after entering it. Okay. Glossary. Samidha means wood. Kulapati, head of sages. Atitheya, due to the guest. Pratigruhyatam, may be accept. Yathokta, as told. Translation. Dushyanta said, this arrow has been taken back. Does as is told. Vaikanasa said, O king, we have set out to bring wood. This hermitage seen on the bank of river Anumalini belonged to the head of sage Kadva. Accept the hospitality toward the guest after entering it. Dushyantah Tapovana Nivasinam Upurodha Ma Abhutah. Tapovana Nivasi means people of hermitage. Uparodha means disturbance. Let not be residents be disturbed. Atra eva ratham sthapaya yavat avatarami. Atra means here. Eva ratham. Ratham means chariot. Sthapaya means stop. Avatarami means step down. Keep the chariot here itself while I descend. Sutah Drutaha Pragraha Avataratu Ayushman. Drutaha Pragraha. Pragraha means reins. Drutaha Pragraha means the reins have been held. Avataratu Ayushman. Master, you may alight from the chariot. Glossary. Sthapaya, stop. Sutah, charioteer. Pragraha, reins. Ayushman, the one with a long life. Translation. Dushyantah, let not the resident be disturbed. Stop the chariot here alone, I shall get down. Charioteer, I have pulled the reins. Master, you may alight from the chariot. Dushyantah Avatirya means descending. Suta. Sut means charioteer. Vinita Veshena Praveshthvyani Tapovanani Nam Idam Tavat Gruhyatam. Suta Vinita Veshena means modest attire. Praveshthvyani means enter. Tapovanani Nam. O charioteer, we should enter the hermitage with modest attire. Idam tavat gruhyatam. So take this. Iti sutasya abharanani dhanuhu cha upaniya means taking on the ornament and the bow of the charioteer. Abharanani means ornament. Dhanuhu means bow. Okay. Sut, O charioteer, यावत् आश्रमवासिनः दृष्ट्वा अहम् उपावर्ते तावत् आद्रपृष्ठाः क्रियन्तः वजिनः. यावत् आश्रमवासिनः दृष्ट्वा. आश्रमवासी means resident of hermitage. दृष्ट्वा means seeing. अहम् I. उपावर्ते तावत् आद्रपृष्ठाः क्रियन्तः वजिनः. वजिनः means horse. Do wake the horses back. Ardha-prishtaha kriyantaha vajinaha means to wake the horses back. Okay. Means taking on the ornament and the bow of the charioteer. O charioteer, do wake the horses back till the return after seeing the resident of the hermitage. Sut Tatha iti nishkrantaha. Tatha means all right. Iti nishkrantaha thus exited. Glossary. Vinita Veshena means modest attire. Vajinaha means horses. Avatiryaha descending. Upavarte I shall return. Tavadadra Prushthaha till then backboshed. Dushyanta said, descending, O charioteer, we should enter the hermitage with a modest attire. So take this ornament. Taking on the ornaments and the bow of the charioteer. O charioteer, do wait your horses back till I return after seeing the people of hermitage. Charioteer said, all right, thus exited. So that's all for this part. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share the video so that others can learn, and also subscribe my channel to get regular update about the course. धन्यवाद.